So hi everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at the all-new Amazon Firestick HD. 8 gigabytes with Wi-Fi 5. So stay tuned. We'll take a look inside and then we'll go ahead and set it up. Stay tuned. It's time for streaming. So hi everybody and thanks for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, thank you also for dropping on in. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and ring that bell. This way you know when I do go ahead and I put up some more videos. So today we're taking a look at the Amazon Firestick HD. Brand new Firestick that they just released. Cost around $35, $39. And what happened is they're getting rid of the Firestick Lite. So this is going to take the place of the Firestick Lite. You will not be able to get it anymore on Amazon. So now let's go ahead and let's open it up, see what's inside, and then we'll move forward and hook it all up. So here we go. We go ahead and we'll open this up. Always, you know, the brown little box. Take it out, put the box to the side, and let's see what we have inside. Of course, we have our remote. We have our power adapter, then we have, of course, the Amazon stick, and then we have the HDMI extender. You also get the power brick, and they give you 2 AAA batteries, and of course, the Firestick HD booklet shows you how to go ahead and hook it up to your TV if you don't know how. But then again, you have me, time for streaming, to show you how to go ahead and hook everything up. So stay tuned. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and put it all together. We'll go step by step on how to get it working. The one thing that I did want to bring to your attention before I hook it up is the remote. The remote size is a little bit smaller than your Firestick 4K Max. And this is the Firestick 4K Max 2nd generation. So right here, as you can see, we both have the power. You have your Alexa button. You have your enter button with your directional pad. You have your back button, home button, and of course you have your 3-line button that allows you to go ahead and move apps to the front and all. You have fast forward, play, pause, and rewind. You also have mute and your TV button. You also have volume up and volume down, and then of course Prime Video, Netflix, Disney, and Peacock. So the only thing that was changed is instead of DirecTV on the Firestick 4K Max, you now have a Disney Plus button. The other 3 buttons are the same. You don't have a settings button, okay? No more on the new Firestick HD. They took away the settings button. And also they took away the channel up and channel down. So there is a little bit of a difference, but really, you know, not much. I guess for the HD, we're going to do okay. All right, let's go set it up. Okay, now we have everything all hooked up. Let's go through the motions on setting this up. Go ahead, click that home button, give it a few seconds so that way it finds itself, and then we can move on with the next step. Next, we got to go ahead and press the play pause button. That way we can move forward. My language is English, so I'm going to click on English. Here you go ahead and set up with the Fire TV app. If you have the app on your phone, go ahead and do it, or set up a remote. I'm going to go ahead and just set it up with the remote. I find it to be easier this way. Next, it will search for networks. Just go ahead and choose your Wi-Fi. It's going to ask you to type in all the information. I'm going to do that now, and we'll be right back. After you type in your Wi-Fi password, it says that you connected successfully. Now it's going to go ahead and download the latest software. Let's give that a few minutes, and we'll come right back to continue. So now that the download has finished downloading and installing itself, the Firestick has rebooted itself, and we're just waiting for it to go ahead and move on to the next step. After it's finished doing the updates and installing itself, like I said, it'll restart itself a couple of times. And here we go. Do you have an account, or are you new to the Amazon? You need to create an account. I already have an account, so I'll go ahead and scan in using the QR code. Now that my system has been successfully registered, hey, welcome, time for streaming. Let's go ahead and continue. Save passwords? No. You want to restore anything? Just go ahead, click on skip. Now it's going to ask what type of TV do you have. I'm going to scroll down to find my TV and then click on the OK button. Now that I find my TV, click the OK button, give it a few seconds. I'll go ahead and test out some music. And of course, we're going to have to press the volume up and volume down button, which is okay. Yes, I hear the music. It plays fine. Fire TV remote is now set up. Let's go ahead, click that OK button. Now you can go ahead and do a 30-day free trial for Prime. Not now. I'm okay. I already have it, so I don't need to do anything at this point. Kid friendly. You could go ahead and say yes and start a free month trial. Right now, I'm going to say no thanks. I don't have any kids living with me. No thanks on my streaming services. I'm okay with that. Here, you also could use your photos to choose your screensaver, or you just use the stock that comes with the Firestick. I'm clicking on the stock just for now. And click on done to say, yes, I am done. No, I don't want any parental controls. I am fine with that. Just say got it over here, and you can keep moving on. Here it comes up to the profile. You can edit your profile settings. You can click on profile settings. And of course, you can choose a character that you want. I'm just going right now and just clicking on the T for S. Here we come right to the home page. Of course, when you get to the home page, there's certain things that you want to do. First thing that you want to do is go ahead and go on over to where the gear is, also known as settings. You want to go ahead, click on it. Come on down to where it says My Fire TV. What you want to do is click on About and then go ahead and click on the name of the Firestick device about several times, and it's going to give you developer options. As you can see right now, during the time of this video, some more updates came in as we were moving forward, setting up the device, and it's going to go ahead and finish the updates and then restart itself. After you get developer options, go ahead and click on that back button on your remote. Now what you want to do is go ahead, go up to the right, click on Preferences. Once we get into Preferences, Privacy Settings. Let's go ahead now, turn everything off. I have other videos out there to show you everything too, but being that we're here, let's just go ahead now, turn everything off over here. Let's keep going on down the line and show that everything is off. Go watch and turn it off. Click the back button, notification settings, off, app notifications. This one you could go ahead and leave on if you like, or you could turn it off. I'm turning it off. Click the back button again, featured content, allow video autoplay. This is going to stop that main ad that's on the Firestick every time you start it up. Go ahead, click off, audio autoplay, click it, turn it off, click that back button on your remote. Let's click the home button on our remote right now, bring it over to the home screen. So pretty much that's the setup of the all new Firestick HD. Still plays in 1080p, still has 1 GB of RAM, has 8 GB of storage, okay? And by the time Amazon puts on all this stuff, you're lucky if you have 5 GB of storage left. All in all, is it worth the $35 price point? I really don't think so. Unless you want to take it and put it into a spare room. I'm not giving up my Firestick 4K Max or my Amazon Cubes or even my ONN device. I'm going to stick with those devices. Again, this one here is good just to use it as a spare. Leave your comments down below. Let me know if you're getting yourself the all-new Firestick HD. Remember, it only plays in 1080p. Not going to give you no 4K videos at all. And thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. Remember to click on that like, subscribe button, and ring that bell. But most of all, remember, day or night, it's time for streaming.